In this video, we'll see how to use the sum function and the subtotal function. For this, we have a table containing 6 shops and their type with last 6 months sales figures. First of all, I need to know the total of our sales in the last 6 months. And for this, I will use the sum function. Equal, write sum, open the brackets by pressing tab, and select all the cells from column C to column H. Close the brackets and hit enter. If I copy the formula, I will obtain the same results for each shop. Now, you can select different cells depends on your needs. For example, we can select just 3 months. So sum, and then by hold Ctrl for keyboard, press cell, hit Ctrl and hold, and then select different months. So you see that my arguments are now different and they skip some months. But we will restate the sum function as we need all the months. Good. Then we want to find out the subtotal of retail type and B2B type. For this, I will insert a row where I will write retail, total retail, and then total business to business. And for this, we're going to use SUBTOTAL function. SUBTOTAL function contains 2 arguments, and the first argument, it's a number from 1 to 11, and this number will give us the function by the second argument. So in our case, we need to write 9 in the first argument in order to obtain the sum of the cells selected in the second argument. So subtotal 9, and then in the second argument select the retail type. Close the brackets, hit enter, and copy the formula. I will do the same thing for business to business. Subtotal, select 9 to have the sum in the second argument by selecting the cells of business to business shops. And now I have also the total for B2B. Now I want to find out the total sales. So even if it's retail or B2B. For this, we can use the subtotal, and I will explain why. So subtotal 9 to have the sum, and then I will select all the cells even if I have subtotals in my selection. I will close the brackets and hit enter. So as you can see, we have the correct total because we have 47 plus 53, which means 100, because the subtotal function ignores the total rows. So to see the difference, if we will select the sum and select our rows, we'll obtain 200 because we duplicate the figures by selecting the subtotal rows. That's why I recommend to use subtotal for this type of table.